Yeah, how's it going today? Um, just a quick, sort of quick review on this knife I got from Kizer. I own several folders and fixed blades, but this is the first folding knife that I got from Kizer. It's a nice guy model. Um, just some information on it: 2.84 inches total length, or that's the blade length, I believe. It's a Nitro V blade, black. The scales are redstone, and it has a steel liner. So, anyhow, cool packaging. That's cool. Replacement screws, I guess, for pocket clip, a Ziploc bag, and whatever. All right. Yeah, so that looks like, yeah, those are like replacement screws for the pocket clip. So, first off, nice big lanyard hole. Nice pocket clip. Seems pretty sturdy. It is reversible. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's a, yeah, I don't know if that's a G10. It really doesn't say. Came with a little sticker. All the other knives I owned from them, I thought this was pretty cool. Maybe I'll start a sticker board. I don't know. But right off the bat, I mean, it's really light. Good action. Got some jimping right here. You got some jimping right here. It kind of has a swedge. It is a liner lock. Really, really light knife. Let's see. I got something I can test this out. Sharpness on. So, that sucker is sharp. That's the downside. When you're buying stuff sight unseen, you don't know if it's going to be sharp out the box. So yeah, that definitely is sharp. I don't know too much about Nitro V steel. Anybody out there knows about Nitro V steel, or is is into that kind of stuff. A little cleaning cloth for it. Little information sheet. Doesn't really go into detail on the product. A couple of QR codes on the back. Product information, I guess. Warranties, whatever, on their products. I need to do a little more digging into Kizer. I mean, I own other knives from my fixed blades, and I did check them out. Price wise, it's a good little knife for if you're on a budget. I mean, it seems pretty sturdy. I'm funny about logging mechanisms on other folders that I own. I mean, liner locks, I guess, are okay. I prefer frame lock. To me, it just seems sturdier. But yeah, that's this little guy. Quick action. I mean, it doesn't go into detail what the pivot mechanism is. It might be, I don't know. I mean, it seems smooth. Yeah. Nice click. Sturdy lock. No real play in it. I mean, a little bit. But whatever. Maybe I'll play around with it. Maybe I can figure something out. I don't know. Take it apart. See what the pivot mechanism is. But yeah. Yeah, that's that. That's the Kizer. Kizer, nice guy. Who comes up with these names, man? Anyhow. Yeah, it's been real. It's for me, and I'm out. Have a good day. Peace.